Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a blog on your Weebly website and arrange a layout. First, log into your account. Now for here, we need to make another site. So on the top right corner, click on My Site, then Add Site. Now, choose I just need a website option. Then, you can now go to the blog section. Here, you can select a theme that best fits your branding. Then, click on Start Editing at the top right. Now, you have a blog website. For here, you can now go and customize it. First, we can go to Blog Settings at the bottom. Here, we can change the post per page by clicking on this drop down and choose the amount that you want. You can also turn on the post share buttons, also the blog sidebar. You can also add in a header code and a footer code. For the commenting system, you can click on the drop down and choose depending on what you like, as well as the other menu. Once done on editing the settings, just click on the save button at the lower right corner. Going back, you can now go to the build section at the upper ribbon. Then for here, you can add different elements to your website just by simply dragging it. For example, I want an image under this author. So you can go and upload an image for the author of the blogs. After that, you can also set up a post by clicking on New Post at the lower right corner. Here, you can add a title for it. Then, you can now drag an element, like a text, so that you will be able to type in your blog. And you can also add an image, then just upload one from your device. After that, you can add different elements to your blog. But once done, you can either save it or post it as is. And as you can see, it is now saved on your drafts. You can go and access it and post that. And you will now see it on your homepage. You can go and add another post if you'd like to. You just add another one and add in your desired element and click on the post button on the top right. And as you can see now, it is also added. You can also go and change or arrange the layout of this. For example, I'm gonna go and drag it here so that they will change positions. You can also go and do that to your other elements just by dragging those elements to your desired layout. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.